Number 32, chemicals in our food. Unfortunately, in the United States, there is about 1,000 chemicals that are illegal in 100 countries throughout the world, and we're not the best at having chemical-free food, so we have to be extra careful in how we pick our foods. Places like Germany and even in Asia, you can't manufacture food the way that you manufacture in the United States. So you have to be extra careful and read labels and anything that, if you don't have a cell phone, you're probably come from another planet from the past or something. But if you do have a cell phone and you look at the ingredients in a particular product and just Google it. Now, if you're too lazy to Google it or you run out of battery on your phone or you don't have the time, if you can't make out what it is, it's obviously not a food. So put it back on the shelf. And that's the best advice I can give you in regards to avoiding chemicals in your food. Thanks.